When working in heavy industries, only the strongest metals survive. But even the strongest cannot endure extreme conditions unprotected. To protect metals from these conditions, the smallest details are critical. At Airblast, we know each step of the way needs to be just right, starting with blast cleaning the metal surface. And for that, you require powerful tools with utmost precision. Airblast has got it all. From powerful blasting equipment and abrasives to ultra-precise inspection tools and high-pressure spray painting systems. No matter what conditions you face, we know what's best in each step of the process. Because having it all also means we've seen it all. Airblast is your partner in protecting metals from the elements anywhere around the globe. Pipelines often operate in extreme conditions. This requires extreme protection internally as well as externally. Internal surface preparation presents specific access and visibility challenges. At Airblast, we are your partner for high-quality internal pipe surface preparation equipment. Regardless of the size of pipe required and the industry in which you operate, Airblast has the equipment for the job. The unique Airblast winch system features a variable speed control to provide a consistent quality for each pipe you blast. This ensures that the minimum amount of abrasive is used to achieve the required surface profile and cleanliness. The Airblast range of internal pipe blasters are designed to be used in pipes with diameters ranging from 13 mm up to 1600 mm. The larger pipe sizes are prepared using spinner blast technology. The smaller pipe sizes are blasted using deflection tip technology. Following blasting, the painting process begins. Airblast provides a full range of internal pipe coating equipment. Each product applies the paint without the need to rotate the pipe. Using the Airblast range of surface preparation equipment designed for internal pipe blasting and coating, pipelines will withstand even the harshest environments for years to come. Airblast, your partner in protecting metal around the globe.
As you stop, it will close up there, and then you have to wait for a few seconds till this hose is depressurized. If you stop and pull it away, it starts going away.